Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to add an image in Canva as quick as possible. So make sure you have your Canva opened and click on create a design and next click on one of the projects, and this is my new project. And if you want to add an image, click on the left toolbar on uploads and next click on upload files, and here choose your image or file. It will be shown in Canva after a few seconds, and now click on the image and it will be shown on your project. And now you can resize it and do whatever you want. I want to show you even easier way to do it. Open images in Google and choose your image and grab this picture and slide it to the Canva on the left side and drop it to upload. And next click it. It's easier, you don't have to download the image to your computer, you just grab the picture and slide it to the Canva. And that's it guys, hope it helps, see you next time.